prompt na kailangan mong ibigay kay ChatGPT is kailangan bigyan mo siya ng context. So the first step is lalagyan mo siya doon ng context that you are an expert bookkeeper helping Filipino freelance bookkeeper who works with a small business e-commerce client. Coach, paano po kapag gusto ko US yung i-target? So papalitan mo po yung praise doon from Filipino, gagawin mo siya kung sino yung target market mo. And my clients are mostly based in the US, UK, and Philippines. Please use professional but simple language in all of your responses. When giving example, use Philippine peso or US dollar as appropriate. So this will tell GPT, ChatGPT, or Claude exactly who you are and how to help you. So all you have to do is paste it before using any of the 10 prompts sa ilalim. So, gamitin natin siya ngayon. Magbukas tayo ng ChatGPT. So, lahat dapat tayo may mga free account, okay na. So, all you have to do is ilalagay mo tong prompt natin by context kung sino ba talaga tayo before you send out yung mga chat, yung mga prompt natin sa ibaba.